Welcome to our external data for Jira tutorial. Today, we will learn how to use the field option sync feature to sync data from an external data source into a custom field, like select list. This can be extremely useful when you want to incorporate external information that is not natively available into your Jira workflow. Before we start, make sure you have the following: a company-managed project, an existing custom target field of the type select list, and a data source. In our use case scenario, we have a data file containing all our customers and want to set up a drop-down list, which allows us to select a customer's company name within our Jira issue. We work with the sample 1 data, which we offer as part of the app for testing purposes. You can generate this demo sample in the Settings tab. Let's get started. Go to the Field Configuration tab. Add a new configuration and choose Field Option Sync. Select your data source from the drop-down list. We use dictionary as our result type. Dictionary is the best choice for most data structures, as the values in a list are being updated whenever value changes occur. Yet, in order to use this type, your data must contain a unique identifier for each list element. We recommend using the list type only if you have a simple list of values that do not require a unique identifier and may grow over time, but the values themselves remain constant. If you want to learn more about the differences between dictionary and list, please visit our documentation. Back to our setup. We now select the list of JSON objects in our data file. Use the expression builder to select the JSON path to the list you want to use. Add the path to the unique identifier. With the JSON path in the label field, you define what's being displayed in the drop-down list. In our case, we will choose the company name of the customer. Next, we select a target field in which the data will be displayed. Save the configuration settings. Visit the Status tab to either trigger or wait for the sync process to finish. Back to the Jira issue, we can see the drop-down list with the sync data on our screen. We can select a customer's company name from the list, which will then be displayed in the custom field. Thanks for watching. For more information, check out our documentation, which is linked in the description. If you like this video tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel.